So if you are trying to change something on your iPhone, and this security delay message pops up every time, I will teach you how you can get rid of it. So basically, when you start this process, you need to wait for 1 hour. So I will teach you how you can get rid of this. So first, you need to go to your settings, and then go down, and find this option called Face ID and passcode. Tap here, tap the password. Let me tap mine's. So after that, you need to scroll down, and you will find this option called Stolen Device Protection. You need to tap here, and you need to turn this off. Make sure while turning this off, the delay message will again appear for the last time. So you need to start this, and after 1 hour you need to turn this off. After 1 hour, when you turn it off, then this delay message won't appear every time you try to change something on your iPhone. So yeah, that's how you turn this delay message off. Thanks for watching.